Why do heating bills spike in winter? When temperatures drop, your heating system works overtime, causing energy bills to soar. Inefficient systems, dirty filters, and lack of maintenance make things even worse. At Synergy 3, we help homeowners lower costs with energy-efficient HVAC upgrades that use less power, regular maintenance to keep your system running smoothly, smart thermostats to optimize heating and savings. Don't let winter drain your wallet. Call Synergy 3 today for a tune-up or a system upgrade and stay warm for less.